Welcome to the world of Webtoons, a digital comic platform that has taken the world by storm. In this guide, we will explore the best Webtoon recommendations for 2025, covering a wide range of genres and styles. First, let's start with the basics. Webtoons are digital comics that originated in South Korea and have since spread globally. They are typically published in a vertical scroll format, making it easy to read on mobile devices. For new readers, we recommend starting with popular titles such as Noblesse, Tower of God, and The God of High School. These webtoons have gained a massive following worldwide and are a great introduction to the platform. Next, let's dive into some specific genres. For fans of action and adventure, we recommend checking out titles like The Breaker and The Gamer. These webtoons feature fast-paced action sequences and engaging storylines. For romance enthusiasts, we suggest titles like Cheese in the Trap and My ID is Gangnam Beauty. These webtoons explore complex relationships and emotional storylines, making them a great choice for readers looking for a more character-driven experience. In addition to these recommendations, we also want to highlight some of the best webtoon platforms to read on. Platforms like Webtoons, Tapas, and Leshin offer a wide range of titles and a user-friendly reading experience. When it comes to discovering new webtoons, we recommend exploring different genres and authors. You can also join online communities and forums to discuss your favorite webtoons and get recommendations from other readers. Finally, we want to emphasize the importance of supporting webtoon creators by reading their work on official platforms and purchasing merchandise or subscriptions. This helps to ensure that webtoons continue to thrive and that creators can produce high-quality content. In conclusion, webtoons offer a unique and engaging reading experience that is worth exploring. With this guide, you now have a solid foundation to start your webtoon journey and discover new titles and authors to enjoy.